This is WIKO U Pulse, and today I would like to show how you can add an event to calendar on this device. So to start, you will need to launch the calendar app, whatever it is. I'll just use the app drawer search to find it. It will be way easier. Well, okay, never mind. So calendar, where is it? I cannot open the app drawer for some mysterious reason. Anyway, here it is. So the calendar app. So anyway, launch it. Then select the date you would like to set your event on. Hit this 3 vertical dots. Choose the new event option from the list that follows. And then fill out all the event details such as its title, the place it will be at or happen at. Then you can also set the time frames or make this event take place the entire day. You can write some guests or invite some guests, write the description, make this event recurrent or repetitive, set your reminding preferences, and then just hit the done button, and here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.